morning student. Today we are going to study about types of migration. Okay, so this is classified into three. One is based on the movement associated with the administrative limits. Okay, so இதை base பண்ணி என்ன மாதிரியான migrations now we are going to study about. This is first point, and second point is based on the willingness of the migrants for migrations. Okay, so that is second point, and third point is based on the duration of stay of migrants in the place of the destinations. Okay, so now we are going to study about the first points based on the movement associated with the administrative limits. This is classified into two. One is internal migration and another one is international migrations. This first one, internal migration, is classified into four: rural to urban, urban to urban, rural to rural, urban to rural. Okay, so first one is international migration. The movement of people within a country is known as the international migrations. Okay, and rural to urban migrations. Okay, it is the movement of population from rural areas to growing towns and cities, mainly in search of employment, education and recreation facilities. Okay, so this is the main reason to they are moving to one place to another place, mainly rural to urban. This is the main reason. Okay, one is employment and another one is education. Okay, so these two things only the people move to rural place to urban, because rural place they don't have any facilities about the employment and education. So this is all facilities in urban place. So that's why most of the place most of the peoples are move on to the rural to urban. And second one is urban to urban. It is a migration between one urban center to other, like in search of higher income. So urban to urban is main reason is search of higher income. Okay, it's for example we are worked in some places. Okay, so somebody's worked in some places, same business and same companies in another urban place. Okay, for example Tata. Okay, Tata company is on place and the same Tata branch is in another place. But for example சென்னையில் இருக்க டாட்டாவில் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சேலரி ரொம்ப லோவாக இருக்குது. இதே மும்பையில் பெங்களூரில் இருக்க டாட்டா கம்பெனியில் இருக்க கம்பெனி பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா they give the more income. Okay, when compared to Chennai they give the more income. Immediately the person move on to the another urban place. Okay, that is called urban to urban. So urbanலேருந்து இன்னொரு urban போகிறதுக்கு ரீசன் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா search of higher income. And rural to rural, it is main reason is marriage. Okay, so marriage பண்ண கேர்ள்ஸ் எல்லாமே என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, ஸோ சம் வில்லேஜில் இருக்க கேர்ள்ஸுக்கு வில்லேஜ் மாதிரி ஒரு ஏரியாவில் மேரேஜ் பண்ணி கொடுக்குறாங்கன்னா they definitely move on to that rural place. Okay, so that's why this is main reason to rural. And another main reason is derived by fertile land for cultivations. Okay, so this is one of the another reason of rural to rural. And last one is urban to rural. It is nothing but some retirement. Okay, retired people are எதுக்காக வேலைக்கு எம்ப்ளாய்மெண்ட்டுக்காக தான் ரூரல்லேருந்து அர்பன் போகிறாங்க நம்ம பார்த்தோம். அப்போ அதில் அந்த எம்ப்ளாய்மெண்ட்லேருந்து ரிட்டையர் ஆகும்போது தென் அகெயின் தே ஆர் மூவ் ஆன் டு தி ரூரல் பிளேஸ். ஸோ சம் பீஸ்ஃபுல் லைஃப் வாழணும் அப்படின்றதுக்காகவும் சம் ஆஃப் த ஃபெசிலிட்டிஸ் வந்து நம்மளோட ரூரல் பிளேஸில் தான் இருக்கும், நேட்டிவ் பிளேஸில் தான் இருக்குன்றதுக்காக தே ஆர் மூவ் ஆன் டு தி ரூரல். ஓகே, ஸோ தீஸ் ஆர் ஆல் த இன்டர்னல் மைக்ரேஷன். அண்ட் இன்டர்நேஷ்னல் மைக்ரேஷன் இஸ் that occurs across the national boundaries. Okay, national boundaries are known as the international migrations. Okay, this is over students. Today class is over. I hope you all understand this. Next class we will see in the second point and the third point. Okay, thank you students.